On behalf of research team of Axis Securities, we'll talk about the market outlook. Firstly, Indian indices are expected to open lower. SGX Nifty is trading lower by 0.21%. The US markets were shut due to holiday. Things to watch out for. Firstly, India's 2017-18 sugar output forecast raised by 1.7 million tons. Also, FICCI seeks privatization of public sector banks. On the corporate front, M&M to make an additional investment of over 500 crore for electric vehicles and electric components at its Chakan plant. HDFC has reportedly initiated discussions for a possible acquisition of Apollo Munich Health Insurance. Also, Advanced Enzyme Board has approved additional investment of 3 lakh ringgit in the Malaysian unit. On the thematic front, discuss about the Auto Expo. The Auto Expo platform is used by the OEMs to showcase concepts, what they can make but not necessarily what they will make. Historically, there has been a huge divergence between concepts and actual production variants. As anticipated, concepts of most OEMs featured EVs to play along with recent noise around EVs, but with no indication on pricing and other details. However, there were a handful of launches that were relevant to medium-term volume market share outlook of key listed auto companies. As a central theme, going into upcoming safety norms, emission norms, and clear trend of premiumization, we continue to prefer auto ancillaries over auto OEMs. So our top picks in the auto space are Endurance Technologies, Motherson Sumi, Maruti Suzuki, Ashok Leyland, and Bajaj Auto. On the technical front, Nifty opened with an upward gap but witnessed selling from the opening tick to end negative. It closed at 10,378 with a loss of 74 points. The chart pattern suggests that if Nifty breaks and sustains below 10,360 levels, it would witness selling, which would lead index towards 10,330 to 10,300 levels. Important resistances for the day are placed at 10,430 to 10,460 levels. Stocks looking strong: V-Guard Industries, Lakshmi Machine Works, GE T&D, Mahindra CIE. Stocks looking weak: AU Small Finance Bank, E-Clerks, Dish TV, Escorts, KPIT, CG Power, Neel Kamal, Petronet LNG, and Sun TV. USDNR opened with a downward gap. However, buying momentum at lower levels pulled USDNR higher to end the day's high. It closed at 64.29 with a gain of 0.46%. For the day, if USDNR trades and sustains above 64.4 levels, it may move further upwards towards 64.5 to 64.6 levels. On the downside, an immediate intraday support zone is around 64.1 levels. On the derivatives front, Nifty futures closed at 10,378.5, decreased by 0.72%, with 1.44% increase in open interest indicating short buildup. Nifty futures closed with 0.15 points premium compared to previous day premium of 1.5 points. FIs were net sellers in derivative segment to the tune of 2,898 crores. India VIX index is at 16.66. Among stock futures, Infosys, IDFC, Raymond, and ICICI Prudential Life Insurance have witnessed long build-up and may show strength in coming session. Stocks which witnessed short build-up are Sun TV, Cipla, and CAPF and may remain weak in coming session. So this is from our end. Thank you.